Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make simple bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose or bread flour, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Making sure your yeast is active is crucial for a good rise, so always check its expiration date. These simple components are the foundation for delicious homemade bread. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your flour, yeast, and salt. Gradually add the warm water, mixing with a spoon until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic and springs back when gently poked. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Lightly grease a large bowl, place your dough inside, and cover it with plastic wrap or a damp cloth. Let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then shape it into your desired loaf. Almost there, place your shaped loaf into a greased loaf pan and let it rise for a second time, about 30 to 60 minutes, or until noticeably puffy. While it rises, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your fresh, homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.